Alright, so I've had a few people asking what the hell is the go with the iron tattoo. This one right here. So story time. Year was 2006. Maybe 5. Definitely 5. Doing Air Force cadets. Now, don't type in here how cool I was. I know how cool I was for doing Air Force cadets. If you don't believe me, check me out. Well, there I am in my nice Air Force cadets uniform, freshly ironed. Lead up to the camp, I got an itinerary of things to bring. On that list was an iron, which my father replied in a very high-pitched voice, "That's crazy! Your own iron!" To his credit, making a 13 or 14-year-old take their own iron to a camp is pretty crazy. Nonetheless, me and my siblings have managed to take the piss out of it for the last 17 years. So on the weekend away, we were like, let's get matching tattoos. What should we get? We decided that we'll just get our own irons. And now, whenever we need to bring our own iron somewhere, we can be like, got an iron. But the other plus side to having an iron tattooed onto you is you can say this,